Curious about how Apple ensures responsible disposal of devices that have reached the end of their life cycle? We'll explore their environmentally friendly disposal methods, highlighting the company's commitment to ethical e-waste management and so much more. In 2013, Apple found itself at a crossroads as the realization dawned that its consistent releases of glossy new iPhones every couple of years since 2007 had created a unique challenge. In developed nations, most individuals already possessed an iPhone that, in many cases, still functioned perfectly. Faced with a plateau in profits, Apple ingeniously devised a solution: the introduction of a trading option. This trading option, initiated in 2013 and still in effect, allows consumers to bring their old iPhones back to an Apple store. In exchange, they receive store credit, which can be applied against the purchase of a newer, sleeker model. If the returned phone is in good condition, Apple sweetens the deal by providing the consumer with a voucher before whisking the old device away to a refurbishment center. Here's where the magic happens. At the refurbishment center, the old device undergoes a transformation process. It is repackaged and then typically resold to vendors in emerging markets such as India or Africa. This strategy is nothing short of genius on Apple's part because, in essence, they're selling the same device twice, a testament to their innovative business model. To be clear, this double sale only occurs if iPhones are still in saleable condition. If the device doesn't meet the criteria, the customer receives no credit, and the phone embarks on a different journey, the recycling route. This environmentally conscious step ensures that even if an iPhone has reached the end of its usable life, its components and materials are still repurposed through recycling. Daisy, the remarkable robot in Apple's recycling process, is a technological marvel capable of dismantling an impressive 200 iPhones per hour, spanning across 15 distinct iPhone models. This robotic wonder is not just a tool. It lives and works in a nondescript building on the outskirts of Austin, Texas, playing a pivotal role in Apple's sustainability efforts. What makes Daisy even more extraordinary is her sustainability credentials. She is manufactured from recycled components of a previous dismantling droid named Liam. This not only showcases Apple's commitment to reusing technology, but also underscores the company's dedication to reducing electronic waste. Daisy's robotic arm is a powerhouse when it comes to resource extraction. It can deftly extract as much gold from 1 ton of iPhones as a regular miner would obtain from a staggering 150 tons of ore. Beyond gold, Daisy plays a crucial role in the recovery of other valuable materials, including precious cobalt from the battery, copper from the camera, and silver and platinum from the main logic board. While Apple could potentially be more sustainable by reselling intact components like cameras and screens for non-mobile applications, such as those found in touchscreens in New York taxis, there's a catch. The brand-conscious Cupertino giant is wary of potential emergence of a black market dealing in bootleg or counterfeit devices crafted from old Apple components. Consequently, all Apple components are meticulously shredded, and the logos are removed once all valuable metals are extracted, ensuring responsible disposal and preventing unauthorized use of their technology. Daisy represents a cutting-edge solution to the complex issue of electronic waste, showcasing how advanced technology can be harnessed to extract value from old devices while maintaining a commitment to environmental responsibility. Apple's commitment to environmental sustainability extends beyond the initial steps of trading in and refurbishing old phones. The remaining hazardous waste from the recycling process is carefully managed and shipped to specialized facilities like the Litong plant in Yangmen, China. Here, any usable materials that haven't been reclaimed are given a new life, often reincarnated as aluminum used in various products, such as furniture or even as the shell of the next-generation MacBook Air. Recognizing the logistical challenges of sending every old iPhone to Austin for processing with Daisy, Apple wisely licensed and subcontracts its recycling process to facilities worldwide. One such facility in Litang in Hong Kong, which specializes in post-industrial recovery and post-consumer recycling. These facilities play a crucial role in handling the intricacies of recycling that might be challenging to address centrally. Apple, through these licensed facilities, strives to extract maximum value from old iPhones. This can involve selling devices to third parties or recycling the precious resources within them back into raw materials for the production of new products. This comprehensive approach allows Apple to manage the environmental impact of its products and contribute to a more sustainable future. The question arises, is Apple doing enough to compensate for the environmental impact of its enticing hardware, which often triggers the fear of missing out, or FOMO, and prompts frequent upgrades? It's a topic open for discussion and consideration. While Apple has implemented various recycling initiatives and programs, ongoing scrutiny and improvements are essential in the pursuit of a truly sustainable and responsible approach to electronic waste. So, when you ask, what does Apple do with old iPhones? The answer involves trading, refurbishing, and recycling with the help of advanced robotic technology like Daisy, ensuring that valuable materials are responsibly extracted and old devices are disposed of in an environmentally conscious manner. So, as you part ways with your old iPhone, remember that its journey doesn't end with the back of a drawer. Instead, it becomes a part of a cycle that contributes to a more sustainable tech future. We hope you found this journey insightful and encourage you to share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Together, let's continue to unravel the stories behind our tech and explore the ever-evolving landscape of innovation and responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to having you with us in future explorations. Until then, stay curious, stay conscious, and stay connected.